Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, me are going to read the last part of Paul's second letter to the Corinthian people them. Now, if you miss any of them, just go back on the channel and you will see all of them, cause all of them did it, right? Now, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just go and click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, where you wait pan, just go on now and click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthian them, chapter 13, from verse 11 to verse 13. Brother and sister, all me have to say for done the letter ya, are that me hope say unu we happy. Change unu ways and live how unu supposed to live. Me I beg unu listen and follow all what me tell unu. Come together and believe the same thing and live in a peace with one another. And God will love we and will give we peace. We turn with always. Unu fi tell one another howdy and do it with love. All of the brother and sister them saying howdy for now. Me pray, say the Lord Jesus Christ, we show no love, even though we not deserve it. Me pray to say God, we always show him love, and that the Holy Spirit will make all of us live together as one. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.